guys, thought I'd say good morning with my girlfriend here, Julia. Hey, Julia. Hey, Julia, say hi. That's my girl. Anyway, I'm going to run out and do some weeding in the garden. I'll see you in a second. Yes, it happened again. Someone let their dog shit in my garden. All right, it's time for the review. Okay, so this is the review for you. I had found some other hostas buried back here, so I moved them up front. I just didn't catch that on film. So that's where the hostas are at now. And those are coming in really nice too. So far, the coneflower is coming through. That's the only thing over there. This is the purple heart. So I've got a couple of these. This one's coming in, and this one over here. Ooh, where are you? And that one there is coming in. So I'm really happy to see that. That's the only thing that's coming in on this side. We have our hostas on this side that are doing really well, doing really good too. And the daylilies. The daylilies. So there it is. It's all nice and cleaned out now. I did notice way down by the shrubs I missed a couple weeds, but I'm not going to worry about that. I already put my stuff away. But I think it's turned out really nice. Really nice. Yep. I'm not at all embarrassed about that. Shame on them. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.